This is the current price and current graph for Volt, and in this video I am going to show you the latest updates and the news you will need to know on Volt. So welcome back to the channel. So currently Volt is actually moving up massively, and we have the current price to be having about 501031, which Volt actually cancelled another zero in the last 24 hours. Currently we have Volt to be up by 1.07% at the time of making this particular video. Then the volume for Volt right now increased about 67.04%, and also the free dedicated market cap and market cap. Welcome back, Volt, and this is a video that is going to be changing a lot of life right now. So this is the current graph of Volt, and since the crypto market has been down, a lot has happened. We'll check the current price of the crypto. We have the Bitcoin to be having about $23,000 right now, and this is up in the last 1 hour for 0.83%, which seems that the crypto market is actually getting to recover again. So with that being said, let's go back to the full update for the Volt right now. I am going to go straight to the Twitter handle and give you some latest update on Twitter. But before I move into Twitter, we are going to check the historical data for Volt, how Volt has been performing in the last 1 week right now. And we have seen Volt has actually been on this particular range, just trying to kill up zeros, and this actually happens by this particular point in time. So we are going to go straight into the Twitter handle and let's check more update on Twitter. Then we are going to be talking more about Volt making a lot of people billionaires right now. So currently we have the Twitter handle right here, and Volt is actually building up the Twitter handle. We have about 72.1k followers right now, which this is currently massive. And also there's a lot of improvement coming up on Volt, which probably not seen a lot of people actually talking about Volt right here. And Volt is actually escalating, promoting, making some exchange, burning, and standing firm in the crypto market. So remember, this is not a financial advice. It is only for information and entertainment purpose only. So do well to go ahead and make your own further research before investing into this particular crypto. But remember, cryptocurrency is actually a risk, so you have to do well to take a smart risk in any area you invest in right here. So Volt seems to be everything at this particular point in time, and a lot is actually happening. People are actually voting, and a buyback actually came in on Volt not quite long, and this is actually great right here. But Volt is actually talking about the July 29. We have the chance to participate in the July 29 buy Volt. Okay, so we are going to be getting the update right here. All you need to do is to stick to the channel and subscribe to the channel for you not to miss the daily updates you're going to be getting from this. And I've not been making more updates on Volt right now, but currently I am back to give you back to back of the updates right now. So thanks you for watching and welcome back to the channel. I remain hipyoungplug. Then peace out.